Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Office 365 from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First, open the search bar and type Settings. Click on the Settings app. On the left side, click on Apps, then on the right side, select Installed Apps. In the search box, type 365. When Microsoft 365 appears in the list, click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Uninstall again. Wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, Office 365 will be removed from your computer. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of uninstalling Microsoft Office 365 from your PC. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.